We all think about it, how to make our lives a bit easier, how to have some extra cash for the things we want. Well, guess what? You're in the right place. This isn't about winning the lottery. This is about a real opportunity to put $750 in your pocket. That's right, $750. Just imagine what you could do with that extra cash. A nice dinner out, paying off a bill, maybe a weekend getaway. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, getting this money is easier than you think. Keep reading because I'm about to break it all down for you. Let's be real, who couldn't use an extra $750? Imagine the possibilities with that kind of money in your pocket. That's money for groceries, gas, or even a nice treat for yourself. You could stock up on essentials, fill your tank for those weekend getaways, or indulge in something special just for you. And the best part is this isn't a loan, it's not a trick, it's a reward just for taking action. No strings attached, no hidden fees, just pure benefit for you. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the catch? It sounds too good to be true, right? Here's the thing, there's always a catch. In this case, it's a limited time offer. You have to act quickly because opportunities like this don't last forever. That means you need to act fast to claim your $750 before it disappears. Time is ticking and you don't want to miss out. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. In the next section, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to claim your reward. Step by step, I'll guide you through the process. It's simpler than you think. Stay tuned and you'll see just how easy it is to get your hands on that extra cash. Ready for the good stuff? Let's dive right in and get you that reward. Here's how to claim your $750 reward. It's quick, simple, and totally worth it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just follow these straightforward steps. Step 1, click the link. This is the gateway to your reward. This is the most important step. Make sure you click the correct link to proceed. Click the link provided to access the offer. It's that simple. Step 2, complete the form. This part is a breeze. Fill out a short, simple form with your basic information. It won't take long at all. Don't worry, it's safe and secure. Your information is protected. Step 3, claim your reward. That's it. You're almost there. Once you've completed the form, you'll be well on your way to receiving your $750 reward. Just sit back and relax. See, I told you it was easy. Now let's make sure you get the most out of this opportunity. But before you rush off to claim your reward, I've got a few pro tips to help you navigate the process like a champ. Stay tuned for some insider advice. Section 4, Pro Tips, Navigate like a Pro. All right, you're almost there. You've done a great job so far and now it's time to fine-tune your approach. Just a few insider tips to make sure you claim your $750 without a hitch. These tips are designed to help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure a smooth process. Tip 1, double-check your information. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Before you hit that submit button, make sure all your details are accurate. A small mistake can lead to delays or even disqualification. Tip 2, read the fine print. This is where many people slip up. I know, nobody likes reading the fine print. It can be tedious and time-consuming, but trust me, it's important to understand the terms and conditions. This ensures you know exactly what you're agreeing to and what is expected of you. Tip 3, act fast. Remember, this is a limited time offer. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Don't wait until the last minute or you might miss out. Procrastination can be your worst enemy here. Follow these tips and you'll be cruising towards that $750 reward in no time. Stay focused, stay diligent, and success will be yours. Section 5. TikTok, don't miss out. Time is money, my friend, and this $750 reward, it's not going to wait around forever. This is a limited time offer, and once it's gone, it's gone. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone later and you remember this opportunity. You click the link, but it's too late. The offer has expired. Don't let that happen. Take action now and secure your $750 reward while you still can. Section 6, Ready, Set, Claim. So there you have it, a chance to put $750 in your pocket with just a few simple clicks. No catches, no hidden fees, just a straightforward reward for being proactive. Think of what you could do with that extra cash. Pay a bill, treat yourself, or even invest it and watch it grow. The choice is yours. But remember, this offer won't last forever. Click the link below, claim your $750 reward, and start enjoying that extra cash. What are you waiting for? What are